With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. If we need a magnification of 400 from a compound microscope, tube length is 150 mm. Objective of the focal length is 5 mm. Focal length of the eyepiece should be close to. So if I write down the magnification, it is equal to tube length time the minimum distance D, minimum distance of side D, in division focal length of the objective into focal length of the eyepiece, and it is given here, it is 400. Right? So if I put the value, so tube length here is 150. So let's take all the unit in one like mm. Since this is a ratio, so it will get cancelled out, right? So if you see, the tube length is 150, right? The minimum distance, visual distance, it is this. Objective length is this, and eyepiece focal length you have to find out. It is equals to 400. Now if you see, this will get cancelled out by 5, and if I want to calculate this FP, it will be equals to this. So this 0 will get cancelled out, and if you see, this 5 and this will also get cancelled out, and if you see here, this quantity, this 25 was in centimeter, so we'll add a 0 here, right? So you can see here, you got this 150 by 8, and it is nearly equals to 19 mm. Now you can check for the option. B is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.